Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. Today, let's talk about DevOps, and let's talk about automation, and let's talk about the fact that people tell me, and this blows my mind, well, I don't want to adopt DevOps, and I don't want to adopt an automated method of deployment and an automated method of management because then I will be out of a job. Okay, we'll talk about it. All right, we're going to talk about it. Before we keep going, hit that like, hit that subscribe, give me feedback, let me know how things are going, make a comment. Let's talk about this automation thing. Yes, automation is fundamental to DevOps. It's a big part of what we're talking about when we talk about DevOps. DevOps is primarily about changing your communication, about changing your environment and the way you work, and and how you work with people around you. I mean, that's what DevOps really is. Secondarily, there is tooling involved with DevOps, including automation. But that's secondary. The primary thing is changing the way we communicate. That's number one. But after we've changed the way we communicate, we want to automate things. We want to get it to the point where we're moving quickly. We're able to do lots and lots of small, fast deployments, in an agile fashion, even though it's not strictly within the agile parvenu. DevOps isn't. But the idea here is really simple. We want to automate stuff. And why do we want to automate stuff? Because, frankly, human beings screw stuff up a lot. And so by automating things, we can make it so we can have a repeatable process, a very well-documented process, and a process that we can get behind and support because we know exactly how it's going to work, exactly what it's going to do, and how it's going to do it. You're not guessing, second-guessing, making wild swags as to how the behavior is going to be. You know how the behavior is going to be because you've automated it. Now, so that's the goal, automation. The fear, and because it's down to fear, it really is. It's fear of automation, fear that, well, if I can automate my job, they're going to get rid of me. If you can automate your job, they should get rid of you. If your entire job can be automated, you shouldn't be doing it. That's just wrong. And yes, in fact, if your entire job can be automated, bye. Here's the deal. They're not going to automate your entire job. Do you automate your backups? If you do not, get out there and automate your backups. But most of you do. Most of you have already automated your backups. You know that your backups are in place. You know that they run. Do you automate maintenance? Most of you do. So, you've got the maintenance running and you know that it's automated and you're ensuring that it's working. And your goal there is to not do the maintenance ever. Your goal is to ensure that you've got good automation around that maintenance to ensure it gets run automatically. Same thing with backups. Why would you not then do everything else you can to ensure that you free time up for doing the stuff that you cannot automate? You're not going to be able to automate all index choices. You're going to be able to automate some of those. But you're not going to be able to automate all index choices. You're not going to be able to automate all query tuning. You're not going to be able to automate all design. You're not going to be able to automate all troubleshooting. You're not going to be able to automate a ton of stuff. You will have plenty of work. If nothing else, you will have work in setting up and maintaining automation. Hey, so automation is nothing to fear. Automation is something to embrace. Automation doesn't hurt your job. Automation will not eliminate your job. And if it does, then you probably needed to have your job eliminated anyway. No, in fact, automation, for the vast majority of us, it takes away onerous, repetitive, easily automated tasks and frees us up to do the stuff that we can't automate, that won't serve automation well, the things that we have to be engaged with, working on actively, supporting dev teams, troubleshooting problems, creating reports, all of the work that can't be automated, you get to do more of. So in fact, automation is not something to fear. Automation is not something that's going to take your job away. Automation is going to be something that makes you do more work. You're going to do more work after you've automated. You're not going to reduce your amount of work. You're just taking away the BS, the crap, the junk, the slop, and you're going to be doing much more high-end work. And so therefore, automation demands two things. One, you got to learn how to automate. You have to learn how to make this stuff happen, and you've got to learn how to control it and all that other fun stuff. And two, you also have to learn all of the advanced stuff that you ought to be doing anyway. Hey, automation is cool. Automation is your friend. Automation is your buddy. Yes, it is. Look, hit the like, hit the subscribe. My name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software.